Greetings, family. This is Prophetess Daryl, Temple of Divine Purpose Prophetic Ministries, and I'm coming to you just with some information on my new blog post. Tomorrow, October the 31st, is Halloween, which is a day as Christians that we do not celebrate. So I wrote a blog that's on my Divine Purpose Prophetic Ministries website, dppministries.org. You can go and select Anchored in Purpose, which will take you to my blog site. And you can read, I've celebrated Halloween, now what? I've celebrated Halloween, now what? And it will answer some questions and give you protocol at what you need to do to renounce, reject, and repent of those things that you participated in unknowingly, and a prayer that will walk you through the process. And also it gives you information on how to disciple your children that are coming up so that they will celebrate life and not darkness. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to visit my website, www.dppministries.org. Read the latest blog. I've celebrated Halloween. Now what? I'll see you until we meet again. Stay close to the one who loves you most, Jesus.